These 5 free AI tools in 2025 are absolutely game changers. If you're not using them yet, you're seriously missing out. Tool number 1, ChatGPT.com. You already know ChatGPT, but did you know it can now generate images, summarize YouTube videos, and even debug your code? It's more than a chatbot, it's your all-in-one assistant. Tool number 2, Leonardo.Ai, AI art generator. Leonardo.Ai creates insane artwork, from game characters to photorealistic images. Think Midjourney, but faster and free to start. Tool number 3, Pictory.ai, AI video creator. Want to turn blog posts or scripts into full videos with voiceover, music, and stock clips? Pictory does it all. Great for YouTubers or marketers. Tool number 4, Perplexity.ai. Perplexity is like ChatGPT, but it actually cites sources. Perfect for research, fast answers, or writing with real references. Tool number 5, ElevenLabs.io, voice cloning. Want your own AI voice, or Morgan Freeman's? ElevenLabs creates realistic voiceovers from text. Perfect for YouTubers, podcasts, or storytelling. Which of these tools blew your mind? Drop it in the comments and hit like if you learned something new. More AI tools coming. Subscribe to not miss out.